still sound like a song.
Ra, 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 hey, hey, hey. Hi guys, what is up to you all? So on this episode, we're gonna react to Angelina Jordan when we were young. So this was done 4 years ago. I haven't heard this one as yet. So in fact, it's quite new to me. Love from Jamaica, greetings from Jamaica. So let's see what she have to say on this one.
Nästa sång heter When We Were Young från Adele. Everybody loves the thing you do.
Oh my goodness.
You time to move. Everybody here is watching you.
First question. I would like to know if Angelina Jordan is the daughter of
Adele.
because there is no absolute way, right? She's sounding exactly like how
Adele.
sound if she's doing a music or doing a live performance, right? And this is quite great for a young woman at this time when you're watching this video. This was done 4 years ago and she's killing this moment. She's destroying this moment, right? For a young female at this age, a wonderful work is being going on here. Wonderful. And I just can't seem to have myself here reacting without giving my compliments on this female. Exquisite job.
Cause you feel like home. You're like a dream come true. But if by chance you're alone, can I have a moment before I go?
Wow.
Cause I've been here by myself all alone. Open your eyes.
Sing, baby girl. Sing.
I used to know you still look like a movie.
Damn. Damn. Oh my god, guys. Like, I can't seem to sit and listen to her no more because her voice is always getting in my brain to give it a little bit of, I'll not say a little bit of, I'll say her entire goosebumps section. I mean, like, my brain is so entangled with her voice. I'm just lost in her little world, right? Oh man, like that voice is always gets me every time I do a reaction to her. She's so amazing, guys. So amazing.
You sound like a song.
Oh,
my God, this reminds me
whoa.
of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this life in case this is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. I wasn't expecting that because she started a little bit low in her way and she's just there having it on low key. Then eventually she raised the bar, bro, and then she just hop at the top there, singing away like it's nothing. wow, she's very, very much built for this. There's absolute no way, right? An original is being pushed over by someone who is doing a cover on that original song. Even though the original cannot be replaced by anything, Angelina Jordan let it seem so easily for the cover to push away the original that is always there. I mean, like, she's full of capabilities, bro. And I always seems to admire her works, the way how she carries herself whenever time she's singing. It's always a professional work, and whenever time the professionalism stands out different on Angelina Jordan, you can tell that she's an amazing character, right? Because her characterization always grabs people attention, like myself here, and I always have to say, hey, Angelina, compliments on your work, excellent job, right? You are here pulling people into your world, and I'm really and truly happy to be a part of your fan base, right? Because she's perfilating every day, and I have to be a part of her perfilation. Let's continue.
It was celebrating all you made us restless. It was just like a movie. It was just like a song. I was so scared to face my fears, 'cause nobody told me you were here.
Guys, her voice is so soft, right? Then she have this tone about it that I really admire a lot. When she go like, "Ooh," that tone, magnificent, magnificent, totally to kill for. Yeah, that's the tone that I like about her. Multiple tones she sings in, but this one is one of my favorite when she does it.
And I swear I move overseas. That's what you said when you left me. It still look like a movie. It still sound like a song.
Ra, 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 hey, 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 Adele, I'm imploring you, right? Please sit and give this female a listening ears, because she's doing so much here. It is not so easy to go ahead and sing over an Adele music and it sounds exactly like how Adele would sing it, right? Adele is such a great person. Her voice is just so, oh God, you guys would understand, right? If you guys are a fan of Adele, you would understand how powerful Adele voice is. Every time I sit and I listen to Adele music, my entire body is like covered with goosebumps, and I just can't seem to exit that moment after I'm finished listening to that Adele music. She's doing exactly the same as how Adele would do it, right? She's singing, giving people goosebumps in each cover that she does, right? And wow, I gotta say, an impressive job. Impressive job. Well done, Angelina Jordan. Well done. Let's continue.
Oh my God, this reminds me of when we were young. We photograph you in this life in case this is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before I realized we were celebrating all that made us restless. It was just like a movie.
Wow.
It was just like a song.
Whoa. Whoa.
When we were young.
This is beautiful. Very beautiful. Whoa. Whoa. A round of applause from me. A round of applause from me. Exquisite job. Angelina Jordan, I want to say, hey, a job well finito. Guys, thank you so much for watching. What are your thoughts on this? And if you guys do like my reactions, if you guys do like what I've just said about Angelina Jordan, don't forget to leave a like on the video, smash the subscribe button, even so, share it to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican guy who's doing reaction to Angelina Jordan's cover songs. So in that case, I'll see you next time around. Peace.